You're saying this wrong, and it's making your English sound very basic. Let's fix that. Don't say I am very cold. Say I'm freezing. Example, I'm freezing, it's too cold here.
Don't say I am very hot. Say I'm boiling. For example, I'm boiling, let's turn on the fan.
Don't say I am very clean. Say I'm neat and tidy. Example, I'm neat and tidy at work. Don't say I am very dirty. Say I'm a bit messy. Example, I'm a bit messy sometimes. Don't say I am very rich. Say I'm well off. Example, he is quite well off. This one sounds really professional. It has a polished, clear layout. Very impressive. Don't say I am very poor. Say I'm struggling financially. Example, I'm struggling financially these days. Don't say I am very early. Say I'm ahead of time. Example, I'm ahead of time for the meeting.
Don't say I am very sorry. Say I truly apologize. Example, I truly apologize for the delay.
Don't say I am very sure. Say I'm certain. Example, I'm certain about this decision.
Don't say I am very late. Say I'm running late. Example, I'm running late. I'll be there soon.
This one sounds really professional. Don't say I am very careful. Say I'm cautious. Example, I'm cautious with my decisions. Don't say I am very thankful. Say I'm truly grateful. Example, I'm truly grateful for your help. Don't say I am very careless. Say I'm a bit careless. Example, I'm a bit careless sometimes. Don't say I am very polite. Say I'm well-mannered. Example, he is very well-mannered. Don't say I am very loud. Say I'm a bit loud. Example, I'm a bit loud when excited. This one sounds really professional.
Don't say I am very quiet. Say I'm soft-spoken. Example, I'm soft-spoken by nature.
Don't say I am very rude. Say I may sound rude. Example, I may sound rude, but I'm honest. Don't say I am very honest. Say I'm straightforward. Example, I'm straightforward in my opinions. Don't say I am very kind. Say I'm considerate. Example, she is very considerate. Don't say I am very selfish. Say I can be selfish. Example, I can be selfish sometimes. This one sounds really professional. Don't say I am very funny. Say I have a good sense of humor. Example, I have a good sense of humor. Don't say I am very serious. Say I'm quite serious. Example, I'm quite serious about my work. Don't say I am very friendly. Say I'm approachable. Example, I'm very approachable at work. Don't say I am very active. Say I'm energetic. Example, I'm energetic throughout the day. Don't say I am very shy. Say I'm a bit reserved. Example, I'm a bit reserved in groups. If you start using these, your English will sound completely different. Subscribe to learn more.